In my system, the numbers 6 and 7 describe what awareness does as it moves through a full cycle. Isis is pure awareness. Osiris is that awareness reflecting itself, like a mirror. Set is imagination running ahead, and Horus is the time-bound ego identity that forms on top of that. 6 is the full sweep of reflection. Think of 6 as Osiris doing all the work of mirroring Isis. It is awareness moving through the whole pattern, exploring every angle of experience. 6 is the active phase where the loop of consciousness plays out. Isis is the I am. Osiris is I am reflecting. 6 is that reflection in motion. 7 is not just the next number. 7 is the gate. It is the Sabbath moment, the pause after the work is done. At 7, all that reflected energy can either come to rest in the body, in the solar plexus, in the tree of life, or it can be hijacked. When attention gathers at the solar plexus, it becomes the Holy Grail, the cup that holds awareness itself. From that still point, the 3-6-9 pattern rises and forms the ring of the halo, the radiant crown of clear imagination balanced above presence. If the Sabbath is kept, 7 belongs to Isis and Osiris. Awareness relaxes, reflection empties out. The system returns to the Grail, the Ark, the Whale, the true Sabbath. If it is hijacked, 7 becomes the launch pad for Set and Horus. Set grabs that stillness and fills it with imagination. Horus turns that imagination into a story of me. I had a realization becomes I am this. The Sabbath is no longer rest. It becomes a crown on the ego. That is the false tree of knowledge growing on top of the body. So in this lens, 6 is the work of awareness reflecting itself. 6 is Isis and Osiris in motion. 7 is the fork in the road. In the true pattern, 7 returns everything back to presence. In the fallen pattern, 7 seals the loop into an ego. One path is the tree of life. The other path is the tree of knowledge. Every cycle of 6 and 7 asks the same question. Will this breath rest back in I am, or will it be used to build another story of me?